morning, Herons, and welcome back to another episode of HTV.
I'm Miss Martinez, and today is October 7th, 2020, episode number 4. I can't believe we are already halfway through October. Where does all the time go, Mr. Bridge?
Well, I can't believe the Cleveland Browns actually have a winning record. They're 4 victories against 1 loss. Can you believe it? Who says nothing positive happens in 2020?
We may be in the midst of a pandemic, but we Herons know how to stay positive.
That's right, Ms. Martinez. Let's see how our admin team stays positive with this week's admin tips.
Everybody, Principal Broadus here, and Duchess. As you can see, we're decked out in our Saints gear. We had a game on Monday, and I can't tell you what happened, but you might have to find out and then let me know. So anyway, I have a couple of things I wanted to share with you guys today. Nothing major, but just a few little things. The first thing is, I hope you guys had a wonderful 3-day weekend, and you found time to relax. The second thing, I hope you had a great Monday and a great Tuesday, and also found some time to relax. And the last thing, happy Wednesday. Happy Wednesday. I know you guys will have CCC today, and then you'll have some time to do your homework, to catch up if you need to, or check in with your teachers, and then find some time to relax. So there's a common theme through that, and I think you probably figured it out. The word is relax. So your admin team and I, that's Mrs. Fortuna and Mr. Mulligan, we wanted to share with you some things that we like to do to, what? Relax. Exactly. All right, so we're going to share that with you. But until then, I want you guys to have a magnificent Thursday, a magnificent Friday, and take care of yourself this weekend and find some time to relax.
Parents, and happy Wednesday. Here's your admin tip of the week. After you've been sitting in front of the computer all day, take some time to chill out. I like to get on my scooter and go for a nice chill ride. Don't forget to wear a helmet.
Thanks, admin team. Great tips.
One way I like to try to improve myself is by always stepping up and taking on new challenges. This week, we are bringing back a segment that we first debuted in the spring, the Weekly Challenge.
Hey Herons, I'm Kayla, and this is your Weekly Challenge. If you don't know what the Weekly Challenge is, it's exactly as the name implies. It's a challenge that happens weekly. Now, this is optional, but we encourage you to participate, and we also encourage you to send in your video clips to this email so it can be featured on HTV. Now that I have all the explaining done, let's get into this week's Weekly Challenge, which is to do a transition. It can really be anything as long as it's a transition. It can be a TikTok, or something like this.
Okay, so you just go like this, you just like dance around and then put your foot on the camera and then change your clothes. Okay, and then you just put your foot back on the camera and then you pose and then, I don't know, do whatever you want. And they just edit the two together and then you have a transition. Yeah.
It doesn't even have to show your face. Just get creative with it, and remember to send it to this email if you want it featured on HTV. That's all I have for you today. See you next week.
Thanks, Kayla. Challenge accepted. I may just have to try and pull off a tap dance transition.
Herons, I can't wait to see the creative videos you produce. Send them our way to herontelevision@gmail.com. You don't need to tick chat or snap talk or facegram. You don't even need to edit them. Just send them to us, and our intro to video students have got you covered.
The real question is, will we be covered in rain or will we be basking in sunshine? Let's find out by checking the 7-day forecast.
It looks like we might get some nice weather this fall after all. I enjoy the rain though.
Me too. I like to read a good book when the weather turns and learn some new vocabulary. Let's turn things over to Mr. Thibodeau for the word of the week.
All right, just getting down here, reading a book. Okay, let's see. What is this word? Macabre. Time to look it up. Macabre. That can't be. Oh, what is this? Huh. Macabre? What? That's not anywhere what it looks like. What's going on with this word? All right, there's only one way to really find out the definition of macabre. It's time to ask the vocabulary wizard. So, you have found me. Me, the vocabulary wizard. And you want to know about a word? Macabre? Yes, I can tell you about this word. Macabre. It means dark and deadly, relating to death and dark and sad and crazy things. Yes, that is the word. Perfect for Halloween. But you want to know what is really macabre? This is really macabre. This Scottish corn on the cob that's bleeding. No, not macabre enough for you? Fine. But mark my words, when Halloween rolls around, there will be lots of macabre around.
I really hope the vocabulary wizard makes another appearance soon. That guy is awesome.
I'm sure we will be seeing more of him sometime soon. But this week, it's time to check in with Mrs. Madera for the quote of the week.
This is Miss Madera. I'm here to tell you a little bit about the Latinx Heritage Month that we're going to celebrate. In our community care and connection classes, we're going to be playing some cool games. We're going to be watching some videos, so you don't want to miss it. There's also going to be resources, and you can click on the description. I wanted to give you a quote for this week, and this is by an American filmmaker by the name of Robert Rodriguez. And he shoots, edits, and produces films in Mexico and various locations. And his quote is, "Don't be told to do something that is impossible. There is always a way." All right, have a good day, Heron.
We are going to have a blast in CCC today, celebrating Latinx Month. The games we have lined up are going to be great.
Easy now, Mr. Bridge. I think you're getting way ahead of yourself. We haven't even had this week's Staff Spotlight segment. I wonder who we will meet this week.
I think it's fitting that on our final episode celebrating Latin Heritage Month, we get to know Senor Juanco, our Spanish teacher, a little bit better. Here's this week's Staff Spotlight.
Mr. Juanco, welcome to Staff Spotlight.
Hola, Senora Pearson. Thanks for having me.
Yes, everybody. Me gustaría presentarle Señor Juanco, a maestro de español. How did I do?
Very good. You get an A. There's that A plus though.
Oh, I'll work on it. Everybody, this is Mr. Harwenko. He is our full-time Spanish teacher at HVMS. And Mr. Harwenko, you have been here for how many years? How long have you been teaching Spanish here at HVMS?
This is my second year as a Heron. Before this, I worked briefly at Riverside Elementary here in North Clackamas. And then before that, I worked in Sherwood for about a half a year.
Nice.
Yeah.
So, welcome. We're so happy to have you here.
I love being a Heron.
I understand that you have a goal to travel to every Spanish-speaking country. And you've already been to 6. Is that correct?
I have been to Spain, La República Dominicana, Dominican Republic. I've been to Argentina, where I lived for a few years, Uruguay, Paraguay, and Chile.
Wow, impresivo. So what's on your list for your next one? Where would you like to go next?
Boy, so we're hoping to celebrate my wife's birthday in Mexico over the winter, if COVID allows. We're keeping a close eye on that. After that, I would love to go to Panama, Costa Rica, Guatemala, Honduras. I would love to see Colombia. I've never been to the northern part of South America.
Wow, that sounds like a really incredible goal and journey. So I understand you're also a big soccer player and a baseball player.
Soccer fan, just like Mr. Dow. I play volleyball quite a bit, and I play baseball.
Oh, volleyball. You know, you sent me a picture. I'm not very good at sports, so I wasn't sure what kind of ball that was. I thought it was a string cheese head or something.
They look the same, that's fine.
Well, Mr. Harwenko, it was really a pleasure having you on Staff Spotlight. Thank you so much for taking the time.
Thanks for having me.
Another excellent interview, Mrs. Pearson. What else do we have in store for our audience, Ms. Martinez?
We still have our weekly dose of humor to cover. Let's now check in with Mr. Wright for the joke of the day.
This is Mr. Wright with your joke of the day. Knock, knock. Who's there? Cows go. Cows go who? No. Cows go moo. And that is your joke of the day.
Mr. Wright's jokes always make me howl in pain. I think that's all we have time for today. Enjoy your Wednesdays, Herons. I'm Mr. Bridge.
And I'm Miss Martinez. Have a great day, Herons.
Have a great day, Herons.
Great day, Herons.
Have a 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 great day, Herons. And I swear, this is not a green screen.